Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Wednesday, November 5, 2025. Well, Rick has been hard at it, day and night, and we have these starboard below waterline strakes all removed, and I'm going to hand it off to Rick so he can talk to you about some of what he's discovered, the good, the bad, and unfortunately, there is some ugly. Take it away, Rick.
Well, we can start up here. As you can see, right in here, it's all been poured in like a rosin or fiberglass. Why, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna have to cut all that out and remove it and find out what's going on behind there. And then, as you can see, there's been repair done here too. And it was put together with Gorilla Glue, I believe. That's what it looks like to me. And
So
that's not a good thing, but I mean, it's...
So we'll add an additional frame member. We'll laminate it into the forward of these, both of the, all four. There are four of them. Yes.
There's a bunch of them actually, and you can see there's a lot of oil. And oil soaked all the way up into the bow, all the way down through, and I don't know if you can, well, you can see it right here. All the oil that's built up underneath here, and you can see this is rotted here. So we're gonna have to make some new stems along through there too.
Now, you discovered that a lot of these frame members were flying loosely, huh?
Yes, I had to fasten them. I fastened them right under here, and then I fastened them back to the keel, because as you can see, our stringers run across, and we're supporting it with the chains.
Yep.
And of course, we got the dead legs here, but
Right.
there's not a whole lot, so we want to make sure that it's good and rugged. So I refastened them all, which is now very strong. It's not going to go anywhere.
Well, all these up forward were similarly.
Yeah,
No-
I had to screw all these right here because they were all just loose, every one of them.
Well, that's interesting,
Yep.
because these were original strakes you took off.
Yeah, well, see, they added to some of them here, as you can see. They were broke off, and they just added pieces to them.
Yeah. There's one over
Yeah, there's
on
some
port.
Yeah, there's several. There's right down through here. The same thing on the front, all the way down through. And I would imagine I'm probably going to find the fiberglass on the other side too.
Well, it looked like it before. Wasn't there an area that glistened?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's got fiberglass. I
Yeah.
can feel it right here.
This is all fiberglass rosin. There's
Yep.
fiberglass rosin down there.
And that's not a good thing for a wood boat.
No. So what is your next step? Are you going to keep going on the port side and strip it as well?
Yeah, well, no, I'm going to leave the port side for now because we want to have some kind of strength on that side.
Right.
We don't want it, it's not going to come down by all means, but we don't want it tipping one way or the other. So
Yeah. So the combination of the above waterline strakes on starboard and virtually all of those strakes on port keep the hull rigid.
yes.
And the keel is still straight as an arrow, so.
Yeah, the keel's pretty good. I mean, we got to take off the little pin underneath and remount that because you can see there's quite a gap in there.
Yeah, the keel's kind of come apart.
And we're gonna run bolts down through instead of just the screws that were in it.
That's not, the keel's not bolted to the,
No, it was all just screwed. There was just screws in there.
that's not good.
No, so we want, especially being an ocean boat, we want to make
Yeah.
sure that it's good and sound.
So you've been scraping a little oil off, the grease off these.
Yeah, you can see it on the floor and underneath there, and of course on me. I mean, it's just loaded with oil. And probably what I'll do is I'll scrape off what I can, and I'm going to take some of the stuff we got there. That what's the name of that, Joe? That spray we've been using to take some of the oil out. roll off.
Roll-off, yeah.
And now
Roll-off is a fantastic cleanser. You should have it in your shop. It neutralizes and liquefies grease and oil amazingly well.
I usually just keep it wet. I put it on and just keep spraying it and spray it. Keep it wet for, you know, like 2 days and just,
So this engine, I think this has been repowered once, and it must be that the original engine was leaking quite a lot of oil.
yeah, like most of it.
Most of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we'll get that all cleaned up and everything before we CPS it. And of course, we're gonna add our new frames.
All right. And the underside of the stringers are all right, though.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, those are good.
Well, we'll keep at it. And the next update, Rick will have installed some of the plywood inner skin. We'll update you then. And as we start installing the planks, we will keep you up to date then. And several people have asked how we laminate ribs. We'll shoot one then while that process is going on. We'll keep you right in the boat, even though right now you wouldn't be very comfortable in there. So that's our update on the 1966 25-foot Lyman Cruisette. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.